Hello friends, welcome to Ledtvrepair. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hello friends, welcome back to Ledtvrepair. It's a 22-inch ONIDA LED TV. Here in this TV, the motherboard is damaged due to lightning. It's a old model TV. So here, this default motherboard is not available in the market. Because of its unavailability, here we are going to install this new model UNISOC LCD LED Universal motherboard. See friends, this is the model number of this universal motherboard. This motherboard comes with UNISOC processor. The model number is T.R67.03. So this is the new model universal motherboard that comes in the market. Here you can see this is the panel model number. It's a full HD AUO panel is used in this TV. Here the panel input VCC is of 5 volt. This panel works on 5 volt input VCC. See friends, here we connected everything in sockets. See. Now, let us turn on the TV and check the picture. Here, the input VCC of this universal motherboard is of 12 volt. See friends, now picture comes and the TV is working back to normal. Now, the final step is to fix this universal board in this TV cabin. So, that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.